Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you the variation of the first Flamenco Rumba strumming pattern you have to learn, which is this one. So the variation is this. So when you know how to do this, it's quite simple after to add another cycle. You start with the two fingers, and instead of slapping, you do another cycle. So 2 times. So I think I do 3 times. You can add as much cycle as you want, and so you can add 2 cycles, 3 cycles, and I like to alternate them. So for example, when I play that, there is also another thing that I do, is to do that and do that. Instead of doing, I do. And it's quite good to make a transition, for example. So yes, you can, from this strumming pattern, you can add many cycles. And you can also add a second down like this. The more you play, the more you train, and the more it will become natural, and you will alternate between these 3 things naturally. So really the key is to play a lot, and it will become natural. Instead of slapping, you can also If you haven't seen the first video, I will put in the description the video. If you have any questions, comment the questions below, give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe for more videos, and I see you later for another video. Bye. By the way, if you want to learn more chord progressions, there is a link in the description. It's a book on Amazon I created with 31 chord progression that sounds really flamenco, rumba, and you can use after any strumming pattern on it, and you will have a lot of fun, and you will not be bored. I don't know if we can say that, but for example, if you're playing for 1 month, after it can become boring, but you have the book, so you can open to a random page, and it will open your mind on what are the other things you can play, and you can have fun for like 1 hour just by learning a new simple chord progression that sounds good for rumba flamenco.